Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media, and we have a new arrival at Riv's Classic Car Toy Box here, Saskatoon, 837B 50th Street. And this is a super unique 1966 Coronet, but a post car. Now, in the other models, I'm going to show you this right now to get this out of the way. This post right here, very rare. The window does roll down in this frame, and this post remains. This car retains all of its original sheet metal, except the floor. So anything external that you're seeing here is original 1966 sheet metal. 383 big block. Now this is a 68 383 Magnum, so it has the high performance manifolds, the high performance cylinder heads originally. This one actually is aluminum head engine. So maybe 1,000 miles on this engine, maybe a couple hundred miles total on the whole car. So yeah, just acquired, just unloaded. So we have, look at those sleek lines with the cop wheels, black. And then we have a super neat interior, very comfy. I mean, everything's new. This car has been fully restored. Top to bottom, front to back, everything. 8 3/4 rear differential, 727 automatic. Does not retain the factory shifter, but this was a 3-speed on the tree car, so a 3-speed manual on the column, originally with a 6-cylinder. But this thing is just clean. All of this, as factory, it does have an aftermarket radio or stereo in it. I like the Dodge floor mats personally. That matches the carpet perfectly. So 66 only for grill. And again, I'm learning as we go on 66, 67. I mean, you don't see these just anywhere. And this is the only post car, and I've seen this car in its restoration process, and this was super solid car to start with. Came out of Oregon originally, maybe like 15 years ago, and then it was a restoration ensued, and yeah, this is the final product, and this is just smooth and steady. Original glass except the windshield. Now I'll show you the fender tag. None of it's really going to matter a whole bunch because it's originally a blue car with a 6-cylinder. But what I can show you, and this is different than all the 69 and up, we have this style. So 60, I think 65, 66, 67, and 68s are like this. But the 21, that's our post car. Our colors here, our engine designation is here, and then the serial number, but they're definitely different than the traditional, 69, 70s that we're used to looking at the other, vehicles on this side at Rivs. So those ones have the other kind of fender tags that I'm probably personally more fluid in because you just see more of them. Yeah, this Coronet right here, it is, again, just off the trailer. Excuse me. Running, yeah, it's just, again, looking down it is laser straight. Alpine white. I believe Alpine white, EW1. It is, again, it's been changed from the robin egg blue, but this is an upgrade for sure. Electronic ignition, electronic choke, again, just to make it much simpler to drive, easier to drive. Dual exhaust with side dumps in front of the axle. It does have a disc brake conversion kit put in it because in 66 it would have 4-wheel drums, and the booster, I believe, was also added. But again, it just makes it better to drive. Power steering. It's got all the, and like I said, everything's new. It's got new suspension in it, Everything's been powder coated underneath. Just a super solid two-door post Coronet. Again, be hard pressed for you to find another one somewhere else. So again, come down to Riv's Classic Car Toy Box. Follow them on Instagram at Riv's Toy Box on Instagram. 837B, 50th Street East here in Saskatoon. This one could be part of your collection. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.